How to change app icons on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change app icons on Android. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here to tell you upfront, stock Android does not allow changing individual app icons without a launcher. However, you can still do it using built-in phone features or shortcuts on some devices. And here you can do it by this way. So here first, what you can do is simply open the Themes app. And now here, once you are inside the Themes, then what you can do is simply tap on the widget section right here. And from here, you can simply go to the wallpapers or even themes that you like. And from here, what you can do is simply search for any wallpaper that you like. Let's suppose, say, I want to search the wallpaper of the anime. So here, I would just pick the one online here and simply download online. And now here, once you have opened the wallpaper or the themes icon that you want to download, you can simply tap on download option, and after that it will be downloaded on your device. And now here, once you have downloaded this device or wallpaper on your device, then what you can do is simply tap on apply here, and once you do that, it will be directly applied to your phone. Now here, once you're done with that, you can simply go back, and here as you can see, the wallpaper and the app icons has been changed. And that's it. That's how you can change app icons on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.